Oh, Jesus. Oh my God, it's a thought that counts, Ty. I love it. Hi, Fizz. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. I am not sure if it's raining right now, but it was raining. Oh, happy Mother's Day, you guys. Happy Mother's Day to all my Happy Mother's Day to all my USA and my Jamaicans and my Canadians and to everybody who celebrates Mother's Day today. Happy Mother's Day. I am here making myself some Mother's Day breakfast. I'm doing banana fritters. Hopefully, by the time you guys see this, Mother's Day will be long gone. So I know you guys had a good Mother's Day, relax, and probably having some mother-daughter time or having some relaxed time by yourself. Jungle hat, yes. As my daughter wake up, she wants her jungle hat. It's not Mother's Day here in France. It's Mother's Day in France on the 20, I think the 28th or the 29th of this month. But I always acknowledge both Mother's Day in Jamaica and Mother's Day in France. So I am just gonna do me today and cruise control. Whatever I feel like doing, then that's how my day is gonna play out. So I'm making some banana fritters right now and just take the day from there. So have a good day, you guys. Enjoy the rest of today's vlog. Sarah and Ty, come say good morning to the face. Sarah, come up. Come say good morning to face. Up.
What you doing?
Say morning, Fizz. Say morning.
Say good morning.
Say morning.
Good morning.
What I'm doing?
Why you in the kitchen right now?
I'm making breakfast.
Why you making
Why I'm making breakfast today?
Yes.
Because nobody make me breakfast.
No. It's still too early for you to make breakfast.
No, it's not too
I'm not gonna wait on you.
You should not to make breakfast. Go get your iron, your apple and your baby.
What you say?
I have no idea what he says, my love.
But it's not too late to do breakfast.
No. Oh, Sarah making breakfast
You
today.
ton tablier de chef.
Oh, Chef Tyler. Where's my Chef Tyler?
It's up the top.
Oops, top.
So you can make
Where at the
breakfast.
top? My turn. We've been mashing. What is mash?
Some mash.
Sure.
Hold it with her, Ty. You have a boot. Yay. Mix it. My little helper this morning mixing. You mixing it, Mama? You making Mother's Day breakfast with Mama? Good girl. You're so nice. Papa is doing the egg. How dare me not say Happy Mother's Day to my mom? Happy Mother's Day, Mommy. You're the best mama in the entire world. I cannot repay you enough for all that you've done for me growing up and you're still doing. And thanks to all the amazing mothers on my page who continue to be great parents to your kids. Yo, being a mom, let me tell y'all, I don't care what nobody say. You will not understand until you're a mother yourself. No matter how people gonna tell you, oh, I understand what you do, I understand what you have to go through. Nope. You will never really truly understand, and I say that respectfully, until you're a mother yourself. Period. You'll never understand why your mother used to do certain things.
Who wants to come to the restaurant?
You'll never understand why your mother used to say certain things until you're a mother yourself.
Restaurant.
So happy Mother's Day, you guys.
Oh.
To the restaurant. Oh, no, Mama. Nobody wants to go to the restaurant.
And happy Mother's Day to my Jamaican wife. We celebrate Mother's Day today with a wonderful mother, a lovely wife, even if it's not wife day, but I have to add that. You just have to look at these two kids. Well, this one is a little bit weird, but otherwise the job is good.
Yes, somebody will go to your restaurant.
Papa, tu peux être un client, choisis une date.
Wow. Sarah, look at the camera and say happy
Le 8 juillet.
Mother's Day. Yeah, Tyler, look at the camera and say happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Ah, mais le 8 juillet écrit c'est fermé.
Alright, you guys, Mother's Day breakfast is ready. My kids giving me foot massage. Rub it, Sarah, rub it. Where you gone?
I'm coming for something to make your foot nice and clean.
You're my big boy taking care of me. Turn on this TV, please. Yes, sir. Give Sarah lotion. Sarah want lotion, Ty. Put lotion in Sarah's hand. Yeah, my baby's taking care of me.
Good, Sarah.
Oh, good job, Sarah.
And good job, me.
Good job, Tyler. Of course, it was your idea.
With the lotion, it's making your foot more,
White.
no, more yellow, but the white is going away.
Sarah using all spoon on my foot too, you know. I'm enjoying my moment, okay?
Sorry. It's okay?
Me love the bad. Let Tata give you some.
Wow!
Tyler, give her
On
lotion.
both foot, there's no more white.
Okay.
Don't need lotion now
Since
well,
when?
I have an idea.
Thank you, Ty. Thank you, Sarah. The lotion in my arms.
Yes. Now.
My foot feel warm, feel chill though with the lotion.
Mama.
Yes, ask Tai Tai. My child said he's doing my foot and he's doing it his way. Can you? Jesus. Ah! Oh my God, it's a thought that counts, Tai. I love it. You see what he's using? He's using his own. Hey, the water is freezing. Tai, it's cold, Tai. Oh. He's using his own pan and his own idea, his own water. Can you tell that he learned this from me? Oh my gosh. And he's doing everything backwards too, you know. He lotion my foot and massage it first, and he's washing it now. But it's okay. I don't mind. He's doing it his way.
I'm just going to dry your foot.
You go for towel?
Yes.
You went for towel? Alright, Tyler. Oh yes, this water feels nice.
Don't want to finish.
Thank you.
So what we're going to do with the water that is in the pan?
Wait right away.
Yes.
Wait. Dry my foot first.
Yes. First I need to, and after. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you, Tyler.
Is it your?
Yes,
Is it your best Mother's Day?
yes, it's the best Mother's Day ever. You are awesome. Thank you so much. He's too cute. Look at him. Foot feel nice. He says he's going to the massage part. So I'm getting massaged her. Look at Sarah. Sarah wants hers too, you know? Look at her. So what is this one called? Let me see what you're using. What is this one called now?
Amallet.
Okay, so what is this technique?
But now that I did this, it was for more massage. Now I go to roll it up, but slowly.
Okay. My son insists that it's Mother's Day and I have to play game with him, so
The
how
game
can I
is
refuse?
It's not like if she's walking or doing
I
anything.
can't
she's
refuse.
playing.
Who's ready?
Me.
Sarah, your
Alright.
turn.
Okay.
They're wicked! Oh my. Sarah, put your foot on it. Put your foot on it.
Bad. What?
No,
Attends,
no.
Attends, c'est pas fini, Taylor. Maman l'a pas fait
Oh,
encore.
look at me here that I'm being batty.
Hey!
Allez, rouge. Oh!
Must start over now? Oh.
Yeah.
Why is school?
You want to go to school? You go to school tomorrow, okay? Put it back tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
No, she wants to go to school. I know she's gonna miss school during summer. I'm sure I'm gonna have to take her at least one day during the week for summer because she's just gonna miss school so much. Chef Ludo, what you cooking?
That. I went this morning in the forest. I hunted with Tyler.
You went and hunt duck this morning with Tyler?
Yeah,
Sarah, what do you want? How was the duck hunting this morning?
it was okay. We got about 5 duck. We also got chicken, so for the rest of the week we have some chicken. And we hunt with javelin. We hunt with javelin. today.
Wait.
The way how you like smooth, it's believable.
Papa, do this,
No.
please.
I can't do this when my hand is so dirty, Tyler. Tyler?
I'm going to say something to him.
Oui, mais on est en train de faire la cuisine, alors on peut pas faire toutes ces
What
bêtises.
he says not true.
Well, your hunting partner, boss on your honey.
And what you're saying is not true. We buy the dog.
Click on Mother's Day dinner with the help of the entire crew. Broccoli and the mushroom with cream, canna duck, and then we have some rice.
Mother's Day princess.
I'm ready to relax. Though I've been relaxing for most of the day, but
You wake up early today. I was surprised.
this morning
Usually
I wake up because Sarah I heard Sarah.
yeah, usually you stay here. Eventually, you lay down and you start to make breakfast around 10. So I was
Yeah, I heard Sarah, so
when I heard you with the breakfast about 8:30, I went to the kitchen. I said, "What you doing?"
that's true. On a Sunday I don't normally make breakfast until like 10 o'clock.
Yeah,
That's true.
it surprised me.
I didn't even know where you were this morning and I was in the kitchen.
Yeah, I was in the bed at first.
Anyway, sometimes we come on the camera and we just have some random conversation to ourselves like you guys not even here. You guys, after 8 o'clock, that's what happened to us. We go into our mode.
Parents' Day, parents' life.
Our
Yeah.
alone time.
You're tired at the end. That's the moment when you can enjoy.
Oh,
That's the only moment you have for yourself, but in the same time you just crash. Oh.
yeah. What time is it now? It's 8.
8:30 around.
8:25. We just finished bedtime routine. Yeah. Because the light out these days, I tend to not put the kids to bed exactly at 8. So I always to them around this time.
Well, we have 1 month and a half that we're gonna
Yeah.
get some more light, and it's gonna be day until like 9:30.
Yeah.
That is better. When you come back, when you go to work is night. When you come back from work is night. Is not that easy. So I'm gonna enjoy that time.
You guys, I had a good Mother's Day, a good Jamaican Mother's Day. The boys did well. Helped them do breakfast, helped them do dinner, and they relax. I even napped today in the day. That
For a
nap
long time,
felt
for about 2
real.
hours.
Oh yeah. You guys, when I nap that long, you know I'm tired. I needed it. I worked out hard last week, the entire week. I worked out 5 days. Normally I work out 4 to 5 days, but I wouldn't run so many days of the week because my knee my knee's been feeling really good, so I'm capitalizing on the runs. So I'm happy about that. Anyway, guys, it's a wrap on Mother's Day. Hopefully you guys had a good Mother's Day. I think we're gonna watch the last 2 episodes of Blacklist to finish up the season.
So we catch back.
And by then I should crash. So give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fan band. Catch up and keep up, and we'll most definitely see you guys tomorrow.